So starting out, I have already washed, conditioned, detangled this wig, and now I'm just going to begin to style it. So the first thing I'm going to do is just blow dry it. Now that it is all dry, this is what it looks like, and this is what the hairline looks like. It's kind of plucked, but it's kind of hard to tell because it is a yellow wig. So what I'm going to do is just take a small section of hair and just save it for the baby hairs, and then I'm going to begin to pluck behind the baby hairs, and then I'm going to pluck the baby hairs, and then I'm just going to brush it all back and pluck it all at the same time. But y'all will just see, it's kind of hard to explain, so yeah, just watch and hopefully you'll understand. Now that everything is customized, I'm going to flat iron it, and this is the finished result. As y'all can see, this hair has movement, especially for it to be colored, because you know sometimes some colored wigs can, you know, be a little on the stiff side, but as y'all can see, this wig is not. It still has movement, it's shiny, it's still thick, especially for it to be 150% density. I really like it, even though it's yellow. It's a bit out of my comfort zone, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try new things. But yeah, this is what the hairline looks like, and it's really hard to tell because it's yellow, but once I install it, you'll see how good of a job I did. So as you see, I already put on my wig cap off camera. Now I'm just going to try on this wig and make sure everything is, you know, fitting good or whatnot. So I'm just going to comb everything back and then pin it, and then I am going to begin to cut the lace. And let me tell y'all, when you cut it, you want your hair to go up and down like that, not straight across, up and down, zigzag or whatever, because if you go straight across, it's going to look like a wig. It's going to look like you got it out Party City. Like, come on now. No, make sure you know it's a little jagged edge, so when it glues down, it'll really melt. You see, my hand is going up and down. Look, up and down, okay? All right. Now that all the lace is cut, I'm just going to take my free spray and brush all the hair back, because now that we're going to glue it on and you don't want any of the hair to be in the way. So yeah, I'm going to clip that back, but before we glue it on, we have to cut the stocking cap off. So basically what I'm doing is trying to line it up as close to my hairline as I can get it. Not too close to where you cut your edges off, okay? No, don't do it. But get as close to your hairline as you can, but still like have it in the shape of a wig kinda. Just make sure like your wig and the stocking cap kind of match up, but you also want the stocking cap to be a little bit behind your wig, just so the glue can sit on the wig cap and the skin and not just the wig cap, because then your wig is just gonna come right off. Now that everything is cut, this is what it should look like. Now I'm just gonna apply my foundation, put it all over the wig cap just so it can like make the wig look more natural, and then I'm just going to apply it to the lace of the wig, because it's not like a brown wig to where you can like bleach the knot, so it's just basically a transparent lace. So then I'm gonna just pop that wig right back on and then begin the glue-on application. But look, let me tell y'all what happened. Just watch, okay? Just look what happens to me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and my camera about to die. So my ghost bond literally just exploded on me. Like I'm sitting here trying to squeeze it, it wasn't coming out. Next thing you know, boom, it exploded. But I'm not gonna let that ruin my day. I'm still gonna use, you know, what's left on this like wig cap thing. I'm just glad it landed where it did, or else I'd be out of luck. So we're just gonna get back into the video and act like nothing ever happened. But my shirt is ruined. Like,
it's a wrap.
Okay, so I'm back, but like I said, we're going to apply the glue, and I'm gonna take a popsicle stick and only apply like 1.5 layers because this is a colored wig, so I don't plan on wearing it for like a long time, maybe like a day or two, maybe 3. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply 1 layer, then let it get tacky clear, then apply another layer, maybe like a half a layer. I didn't really show it, but it wasn't like a really thick layer. Then I'm gonna glue it down and use my rat tail comb to really get the lace down. And then, like I said, you always want to apply your wig in sections. I start with the forehead, then do like my sides. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie, this wig was a little small, so you know, I had to finesse it, but that's okay because I just have a big head, so it's probably gonna fit you if you have a normal or small size head. So yeah, now all the lace is glued down, and I just had to hold it down for a little bit because the edges were lifting up, but I ended up putting my bandana on, left it on for a few hours, did my eyebrows and my lashes and all that good stuff. And then now I'm just going to fix my part because it was uneven, so you know, I just brushed it, take a little water. But y'all can see it's just like simple stuff. I show y'all this in almost every hair video. Now that everything is in place, I'm just going to pin my hair back and start working on the baby hairs. So that hair that we left out in the beginning, we're just going to pull it out, you know, then take my razor comb and then just, you know, cut it down and then use my edge booster, edge control, and then just swoop them and get it looking right. Now, like I said in the beginning, that we didn't really have to bleach the knots because it's a yellow wig. So in order to get like the middle part looking really, really natural, I just took some concealer and a brush and just put a little bit, not too much, right down the middle part. Now, this is how I hide like my wig cap. It doesn't look the best, but it's just like if the wind blows, I don't be looking crazy with half my wig on, you know? So I just like to add a little baby hair just to hide it. But yeah, this is it right here.
Okay, y'all, so let me just tell y'all some pros about this hair. So once you receive it in the packaging, it'll come in like a plastic bag, and then it'll come like with this piece of paper in it to shape the wig, and also a hairnet, and then like this tag that gives you a little information about the wig and some QR codes to the website. So then this hair is very soft, and let me tell you, every time you get a wig, you need to wash it because once you receive it, it's not gonna be looking the best. So yeah, after you wash the wig, blow dry it and flat iron it, or however you want to style it. Once I flat ironed it, it gave the hair a lot more body, a lot more shine, and it made it a lot thicker because when I got it, it was a little, you know. So yeah, y'all, also about this hair, it is very soft, it's very flowy. It is a 10-inch bob. More details will be down below in the description box. But yeah, y'all,